Tuesday, July 21st, the fortress. Ulric's plan is a mad one. One of the many strange things we found while trapped inside the Tain was the shredded battle standard of that long-dead race of evil creatures called the Mircridia. I thought that we had left it behind, but someone must have climbed that horrible pile of skulls and brought it out with them when we escaped. The Mircridia were the most vicious servants of the Dark in another time, now long past, and Balor himself imprisoned them within the Tain. Or at least that's what Ulric says. I'd always heard that the Mircridia were hunted to extinction by Connaught, the great hero of the Wind Age. Ulric says Connaught and Balor are two different names for the same person. I think 4 months in the desert addled his mind. How could the greatest hero of the Wind Age, the king of Mjolnir during its golden age, become the greatest evil of our time? Ulric intends to approach within 100 yards of the fortress and raise the Mircridian standard. Because of Balor's old enmity toward the Mircridia, Ulric is certain that this will so enrage Balor that he will come to deal with us himself. All we have to do is plant the standard and wait.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. Let's go!
Ready?
I'm moving. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm moving.
Sir? That was mine.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm moving. Yeah. Yeah.
Ready?
I'm moving. Yeah. 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 I'm moving.
Sir?
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Hurry! Balor is on his way. I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving.
Yes?
Yeah.
Sir? Ready?
I'm moving. Yeah. I'm moving.
Sir?
Get back! Here he comes!
Where did you find that accursed thing, Alric? And what madness made you raise it here?
As a lesson in humility, Balor.
Then I have a lesson for you as well.
Ready?
Over here!
Yes?
Let's go!
What now?
Sir?
What?
Ready?
Here they come!
Sir?
Money!
Yes!
I'm moving.
Money! Incoming!
Over here!
Yes?
Yeah!
Sir?
Where? Money!
Yes!
Money! Yeah! Where? Step aside!
That was mine! Step aside!
Yeah!
Got him!
Oh yeah!
Got him!
Yes!
Yes? Step aside!
Yeah!
Stand clear!
I'm moving.
Yes?
Step aside!
Sir? That was mine!
Yeah! I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. Over here! I'm moving. Over here! I'm moving.
Ready?
I'm moving.
Sir? Yes?
The rest of your legion has been destroyed, Alric. What more can you do
Sir?
with this handful of men?
Stand clear!
Yeah!
Yes!
Where? Money! What?
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. Yeah. I'm moving. Yeah. Let's go. I'm moving.
What now?
Sir?
Hey, step aside!
Got him!
Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah! Where?
Stand clear!
Oh yeah!
That was...
Get out of the way!
Yes!
Yeah!
Got him!
Yeah. Yeah.
We must
go.
follow him.
Over here. Over here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Over here. I'm moving. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. I'm moving.
Ready. That was mine.
I'm moving. Let's go. Let's go.
Join me or die, Alric. You cannot hope to
Step
win
aside.
this battle.
Step aside.
I do not need to win the battle, Balor. Only to kill you.
I'm moving.
That was mine. Hey, move it. Hey, move it. Step aside. Stand clear.
Casualty. Casualty. Casualty.
I'm moving. Yeah. I'm moving.
Step aside.
Yeah.
Ready.
Step aside.
Hey, move it.
Make a hole.
Stand
Make
clear.
it through.
Yeah.
Make a hole.
Casualties. Casualty. Casualty.
Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. Over here.
Ready.
What? Yeah?
Let's go. Let's go.
Yes? That was mine.
Join me or die, Alric. You cannot hope to win this battle.
I do not need to win the battle, Balor. Only to kill you.
Over here. Yeah.
Yes! Got him! Stand clear.
Get back up.
Casualty. Casualty.
Let's over here.
Sir?
Casualty. Casual.
Join me or die, Alric. You cannot hope
I do
to
not need
win
the
this battle.
Balor, only to kill you.
Step aside. Stand. Hey, move it. Got him. Step aside. Hey, move it. Hey, move it.
Casualty.
Ready? Sir? Stand clear. Ready?
Yes.
Got him.
Casualty. Casualty. Casualty.
I'm moving.
Yes, sir. Move here, move there. What? Yes.
I'm moving. Let's go.
Join me or die, Alric. You cannot hope to win this battle.
I do not need to win the battle, Balor, only to kill you.
That was mine. Step aside. Step aside. Got him. Hey, move it. That was mine. Got him.
Casualty. Casualty. Casualty.
Yes?
Okay.
Ready?
Join me or die, Alric. You cannot hope to win this battle.
I do not need to win the battle, Balor, only to kill you.
That was mine. That was mine. Hey, move it. Got him.
Casualty.
Hey, move it. Yes! Money!
Kill.
Sir?
Yes.
Ready?
Casualty.
We must follow him.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. I'm moving. Let's go. Over here. Yeah.
Casualty. Casualty.
Kill him! Kill him!